Imagine being left for dead in the death zone on Everest. Blind, frozen, abandoned. This is the true story of Beck Weathers, the man who came back from the dead. In May 1996, Beck joined a guided expedition to the top of Everest. But near the summit, he lost his eyesight due to complications from earlier eye surgery. At 29,000 feet, blinded and exhausted, he fell behind. Then the storm hit. Temperatures dropped below -40, winds howled across the mountain. Beck collapsed in the snow. When his teammates found him unresponsive, they assumed he was gone. Beck was left behind, another victim of Everest's deadly slopes. But hours later, something unbelievable happened. After 18 hours in the freezing death zone, Beck woke up. His hands were frozen, his face blackened with frostbite, yet somehow he stood up. Alone, with no oxygen, no help and no hope, he began staggering back toward camp. When fellow climbers saw Beck walking toward them, barely alive, it was like seeing a ghost. Sherpas rushed to pull him to safety, and miraculously, he survived. Beck would lose both hands, his nose, and parts of his face, but his story became one of the greatest survival miracles in mountaineering history. Against all odds, Beck Weathers truly came back from the dead.